Ndewonu ndị be anyị. Ndewonu. Ndewonu. Welcome to Igbo Academy. Today I'm going to be teaching you ABD Igbo, and that is Igbo Alphabets. So let's go into it. Azụ. Azụ. And that is fish in English. Azụ. Bịa. Bịa. That is come. Come. Chi. Chukwu. That is God, the Almighty God. God. The Dọkịnta. That is doctor. Ewu. That is goat. Fee. Fair. That is fly. Fair. Fly. Gị. Gụọ. That is read. Gụọ. Read. Gbị. Gbakọ. Gather. That is to gather things. To gather things together. He. Họ. That is to plug. Họ. Họta ihe. To plug. We. Gwọ. That is to heal. He. Họpụta. That is to select. Ite. That is pot. There's a difference between E and A. Ịgba. That is drum. G. That is yam. Key. That is kedu. This is one of the first things you will learn. Kedu. That is how are you? Kedu. Kpị. Kpakpando. That is stars. Kpakpando. Stars. Kwị, kwụsị, kwụsị. Stop, stop, kwụsị. Lị, lị, lị. Lachaa, lachaa. That is to lick, to lick. Mị, mị, mmiri, mmiri. That is water, mmiri, water. Nkịta, nkịta. That is dog, dog. Ṅị, ṅị, ṅụọ, ṅụọ. That is drink, drink. Ṅụọ mmiri, drink, drink water. Ṅụọ mmiri, drink water. Nwị, nwị, nwanyị, nwanyị. That is woman, woman. Nyị, nyị, nyaa, nyaa. That is to drive, to drive. O, oke, oke. That is rats, rats. Ọ, ọkụ, ọkụ. That is fire, fire. Pị, pị, pụta, pụta. That is come out, come out. Pụta, come out. Rị, rị, rigoro, rigoro. That is to climb, to climb. Sị, sọpụrụ, sọpụrụ. That is to respect, to respect. Shị, shị, shie, shie. That is to cook, to cook. Tí, tí, taa, taa. That is to chew, to chew. That is to chew something when you are eating, to chew something. U, u, unere, unere, unere. That is banana, banana. Unere, banana. O, o, ụwa, ụwa, ụwa. World, world. The whole world. Ụwa, ụwa. V, v, vọ, vọ. That is to comb your hair, to comb. Vọ, vọ isi gị, comb your hair. We, wunye, wunye, wunye. That is to pour, to pour, to pour. Yi, yabasị, yabasị. That is onion, onion, yabasị. Z, 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 za, za, that is to sweep, to sweep. Ndị be anyị adago na nchịkọta ABD nke taa. Please subscribe to Igbo Academy and God bless you. Bye.